Hello and welcome to the first of the tutorial videos for your Solidworks component in the BCIT Trades Discovery program. So this video is going to introduce you to the basic controls in Solidworks, such as moving the camera, some basic concepts such as sketches and features, as well as creating a new file and saving it. So the next videos in this series are broken down into sketching, creating a solid, and then creating the final drawing. Each of these videos will have step-by-step instructions on how to proceed in order to achieve our goal, which is the file we're looking at here on the screen. You will benefit the most from these tutorial videos by playing it for a bit, pausing it often, and then following it along step by step. If something isn't working as expected, try to rewind a little bit in the video and see if you missed a step somewhere. If you still can't tell where the issue is, please ask your instructor for some help. So let's start off in SolidWorks by looking at this completed hammer model. If I want to move the camera around and look at this model from a different angle, I'm going to hold down my middle mouse button, the scroll wheel, and when I shift the mouse, it will rotate the part. Scrolling the wheel up and down will zoom the view in and out, just like that. And holding down the left control key while also holding down the scroll wheel on the mouse allows me to pan the camera around like so. Finally, pressing the space bar and releasing it brings up this cube, which essentially allows you to quickly jump to a specific view around your model. So the top view, side, and so forth. I can also rotate the cube in space in exactly the same way as before. Allows you to see all the different sides of your model. Up at the top of the window here, we have a series of tabs which have different types of things we can do in the program, such as features, sketching, markup, and so on. We're mainly concerned with the first two, sketch and features. And the available tools in each tab change as you change tabs. So if you can't find the tool you're looking for, it's possible you're in the right tab. When you first launch SolidWorks, it should look something like this. We are creating a new part, not an assembly, so make sure that part is highlighted, and then we can click OK. Now that we have a new file created, we can hide this SolidWorks resource tab over here by just grabbing and clicking this middle part and clicking and dragging it off the side. We don't need to use it for the video. Where you can also double check and make sure that our file is set to inches by looking for IPS down here at the bottom right of our screen. If it's not, you can just click on that arrow and make sure that we've got it selected. To save our file, we're going to click on the save icon at the top of the screen up here. Give it a name and a destination, and save it to the desktop is what I recommend. Keeping in mind, these computers are wiped every night, so if you don't finish this tutorial today, which is totally fine, you will have to email the file to yourself using your MyBCIT email account. Now that we've got a basic understanding of simple SolidWorks operations, we're going to go to the next video, which will cover sketching.